In this video I'm going to talk to you about tent pegs. Your tent will come with most likely just one type of tent peg, but there are lots of different types available to suit different terrains, so it's always worth having some extra pegs in your kit in case when you get to your campsite you come across rocky or muddy terrain. So first up is the steel round wire peg, your classic peg. They come in different lengths, great for your classic campsite grass where it's not rocky or not hard ground. Next up, if you do encounter hard ground, you'll need a hard ground peg. So these will hammer into even gravelly, stony ground, so they're great for securing in those kind of conditions. Next up is a plastic puller peg. Now the flat side on here gives more resistance, so when it goes into the ground, they do offer a bit more strength. So these are great if you're going to be pitching your tent and it might be very windy. Next up is a ripple peg. Again, the ripples, it's quite a wide surface area, so again offering lots of resistance, but the ripples also prevent the tent peg from pulling out that way. Again, these are available in different lengths. And then a big stake peg like this is good for securing down bigger structures or the big straps you get on the front of the porches on some of the very big tents. Again, the bigger the tent peg, the bigger the surface area, the more resistance. Finally, you'll need a mallet for whacking your tent pegs in, and when you're taking your tent down, you'll need a peg puller, which is for pulling the pegs out of the ground. So that's all you need to know about tent pegs. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.